okuntabire or okuntuhi, tongue twister. Papa Peter Patara. Peter's father brought. Ndewo, this is Yvonne from Learn Igbo Now Challenge, and in this video we're going to learn a tongue twister. Tongue twisters are very, very important in getting you used to speaking any language, and then getting the muscles in your mouth to get used to saying words and tones in that language. So today we're going to tackle a tongue twister, which is also in Igbo, it's called okuntabire. In some places it's called okuntuhi, but they all mean the same thing, tongue twister. So this tongue twister is Papa Peter Patara. Peter's father brought. But before we start, we're going to look at 4 key words that we will learn from this tongue twister. And these 4 key words are Papa, father, Patara, Patara, carried, Patara, carried, Panye, to give someone something. So Panye is give to. Patara gives that sense of using 2 hand to carry something, to give, to carry something. And then Panye is to still carry the thing with 2 hands and then hand it over to someone. So that's what Panye means. Panye nkata. Give me that basket. And you know the basket will usually be carried with 2 hands. So Panye is to hand over or to give something to, usually something that you're carrying with both hands. Popo. Popo is papaya or Popo. Ready? Let's begin. Ka anyị bido. Papa Peter patara Popo, panye Papa Paul. 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 So the 4 key words we've learned in this tongue twister are Papa, father. Papa, father. Mind you, Papa is the English version, but Papa is the Igbo version. So Papa is father. Patara, carried. Panye, gave to. Panye, panye, panye me ihe. Give me something. Panye, gave to. Popo is papaya. or Popo. Remember that practice makes perfect, so the more you push yourself at your own pace, the more you master the language. That's it for now. Komesia. See you soon.